Choosing a Forex broker can make or break your trading journey. With so many options out there, how do you know just who to trust, especially in 2025? In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what I look for when I choose my broker for trading, and the one that I personally use every single day. I have been trading for over 5 years. I share my journey as I grow and develop as a consistently profitable Forex trader. If you want to find out more, do check out my channel for more videos. Make sure that you like and subscribe to this one. All of the software, including my personal broker of choice, is linked in the description below, and let's get straight into the content. Firstly, let's look at what exactly makes a good broker. We're going to break down what makes a good broker, starting with one of the most important points in my opinion, and that is regulation. You want to make sure that your broker is both regulated and trusted, knowing that your money is kept safe. There are a lot of brokers out there, and some of them can be scams and misleading, so this is a very important point not to be overlooked. Your broker holds your deposits and executes your trades, so trust is non-negotiable. You want a broker that is regulated by a reputable financial authority, such as the Financial Conduct Authority that we have here in the UK. Now, there are many different financial bodies globally to choose from, and depending on where your broker is based in the world, they will probably be regulated by a different financial authority. But being regulated by a financial authority means that your broker has strict rules to follow, which ultimately will protect your account and ensure fair trading. I would advise to avoid unregulated offshore brokers, because if something goes wrong with your account, you may just lose your deposits completely. Another point to consider when you are choosing your broker is to look for tight spreads. These are pretty much essential in my opinion, especially if you are a day trader or a scalper. But what exactly is the spread, you may be wondering? Well, the spread is the difference between the buy price and the sell price. It is the profit that most brokers will make on your trades, and it can be quite wide or tight depending on your broker. For active traders, such as day traders or scalpers, a tighter spread means less of a fee to pay when you are trading. It means that it is more liquid and easier for you to get in and out of positions. A few pips might not sound like much, but considering this over a lot of trades, it can soon add up. Especially look for brokers that offer competitive, tighter spreads on major pairs such as Euro USD and Pound USD. Remember that whenever you buy into a trade, in order to sell, you have to immediately look to the sell price. And if your spread is very wide, that could mean that when you immediately buy into a trade, you are automatically going to be considerably in the negative. Whereas a tight spread, maybe even a raw spread, could mean that once you buy into a trade, you are already break even or maybe even in profit if the market already moves in your favor. Fast execution. Another crucial point to consider when choosing your broker. You want to ensure to have little to no slippage, especially during times of high volatility. Price moves fast in the markets, and you want your trade to be executed at the price that you clicked, not the wrong one. I have been with brokers in the past where I have had a pretty wide slippage, and let me tell you, it is really annoying. It's the difference between managing the risk in your account and having double the loser. It's crucially important. A good broker offers lightning fast execution speeds, especially during times of high volatility, such as high impact news. This helps you to avoid slippage when you enter the market at a different price than you intended, which can quickly kill your profits and mess up your strategy. The next point to consider when choosing your broker is, of course, platform options. What trading platforms do they offer to you to trade from? One of the most commonly used trading platforms that most of you are probably already aware of is the MetaTrader platforms, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This is pretty much something that most Forex brokers should be offering. Some may even offer an alternative platform such as CTrader. Remember that a broker is only as good as the tools that they offer to you to trade with. Make sure that your broker offers access to popular platforms, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and also the ability to trade from the mobile apps. The platform should be stable, user-friendly, and provide access to charting, indicators, and other tools that you may need. Depending on what broker you are looking for, if you are looking to trade stocks, they may even have an in-house software to use, such as Trading 212 or eToro offer their own platform. It really depends on what markets you are looking to trade. But essentially, you want something that is user-friendly, that you can use from your mobile phone, that allows you to access all of the tools that you need for trading, charting, having all the facilities you need to set your orders, such as market orders, stop orders, and also your stop loss orders. Low commissions and no hidden fees. This may seem quite obvious, but you need to remember to save money where you can. Trading is already hard enough. You don't need your broker eating into your profits along the way. Some of the things that you need to look out for are potential high commission charges. If your broker charges a commission per trade, make sure that it's not too expensive. Look out for any fees that they may charge for withdrawing your profits, and also inactivity fees. Some brokers may charge you monthly if you don't use your account enough. Make sure to read the fine print and look out for any surprise fees that may be in there. The best brokers are transparent about their prices, and they let you trade with either low or zero commissions, especially on the major pairs. Coming up, I'm going to talk to you about the broker that I use and why, but first, I just want to say a word about prop firms as well. Some brokers include the option for a prop trading account. They link the two together. Personally, I prefer to have these separately, and that's why I trade with the prop firm, the 5%ers. The 5%ers offer 3 different trading accounts. They offer the bootcamp program, high stakes, and also the hyper growth program. I passed the hyper growth program last year, where I have access to a $40,000 account size, and this means that you can trade their company capital and you both take a share of any profits made on that account. You have to prove your skills as a trader first by passing their challenge, but the best thing about the 5%ers is that they offer you a 0 time limit on doing so. If you want some more information, feel free to check out the link below in the description. They also run weekly competitions where you can trade, show off your skills, and maybe even win a free program in the process. In short, a great broker is safe, fair, and efficient. Don't just go with the one that offers the highest leverage or the biggest bonus. Go with the one that protects your capital, offers good value, and helps you to trade with confidence. For me, after 5 years of day trading the Forex markets and trying out a few different brokers along the way, personally, I stick with using IC Markets. When I first joined IC Markets, they were a broker based in Australia, regulated by a financial authority based in Australia. And here is why I use them. They offer very tight spreads. They offer excellent execution speeds. They offer the MetaTrader program that I also run from my mobile phone. They offer really useful customer support, and it's very easy online on their dashboard to set up multiple accounts. So I have multiple demo accounts that I have used in the past for testing out new strategies, and all of this is included free. I have no hidden fees to pay. I find it very simple to withdraw funds, and they process that using my bank account, which I prefer because a lot of brokers now only offer cryptocurrency. And a bonus tip for you when considering a broker is, of course, to look for a broker with a demo account. In my opinion, this is essential if you are a beginner. If you are new to trading, you should only be trading in a demo account. It is a fake account. It uses fake paper money, and it allows you to practice trading, get used to the software, and build your strategy without risking real money. And with IC Markets, you can do that completely for free. So if you want to get started, I have created a separate video that shows you how to set up a free demo account. And once you are ready, you can simply create a live account and deposit some money when you're ready to change to trading with real money. Remember, make sure that your broker gives you an edge, not a disadvantage. And remember that a great broker is only a small part of the puzzle of trading. You've got to also have mindset, risk management, and discipline matter too. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know by hitting that like button. Please subscribe to the channel and follow along. I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.